Hi, I'm Bamble, and I've been wanting to do this for ages. Here's how I've made tens of thousands with my artwork between 2018 and 2022. Number one, first thing is I walked into a gallery owned by a local artist, Carol Fayer, at the Art Warehouse, and she gave me the time of day. And she told me to reach out to art organizations. So, like, there's an artist run organization called Darwin Visual Arts in my hometown, and then there is also the Northern Centre for Contemporary Art. Their yearly membership's like $50 a pop. So I got told join those, and then every group exhibition they're going to do, every call out for artists to submit art, submit to it. So I just submitted a piece to every exhibition, every group show they had for 2 years. And the good thing about that is that if you submit work to a group show, every person in it, every artist in it brings their friends and their followers, so then there's more eyes on your art as people walk around and more chance to get known. Number two, Fringe Festival. I submitted an application to the Darwin Fringe Festival, so if you got one in your town, you pay the fee. If you find a venue, luckily I got started at Brown Sugar Cafe, which had lovely people with help from Hannah from the Darwin Fringe Festival, and they helped me put on my own first solo exhibition, paid for by me. I run it after hours, I set up my paintings, and then the paintings hung out in the cafe for like ages after that. And I made a few sales from that as well. So that's a good way to get started.